Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy pesto sauce. First, let's gather our simple yet essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of fresh basil, 1/4 cup of pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/2 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil. Using fresh, high-quality ingredients is key to achieving that vibrant, delicious flavor we all love. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's start blending. Carefully add your 2 cups of fresh basil leaves into a food processor. Next, toss in the 2 cloves of garlic and the 1/4 cup of lightly toasted pine nuts. Pulse these ingredients together a few times until they are finely chopped and well combined. This initial step creates the aromatic base for our delicious pesto. With the basil, garlic, and pine nuts chopped, it's time to add the remaining elements. Introduce 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese to the food processor. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in 1/2 cup of high-quality, extra virgin olive oil. This gradual addition helps emulsify the sauce, creating a creamy, smooth texture that is absolutely perfect for your pesto. Finally, let's perfect the flavor of our homemade pesto. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Give it a quick pulse to combine, then taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking. This vibrant, flavorful sauce is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it tossed with pasta, spread on sandwiches, or even as a delicious dip for fresh bread. It's truly simple and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.